Anyone who wants to investigate the bastards, I say, bring it on. The best journalism in this country's history was always keeping track of abuses of power, and that's what journalists do, and that's especially what investigative journalists do. We're the only university in the 13 colleges and universities in the Washington, D.C. area that has an investigative reporting workshop where students can come and work. We need people that care about our society and think that facts and information matter. And somebody's got to watch those in power, bottom line. There's nothing more important. And for me, personally, there's nothing more fun. But that's just in my DNA. I can't help it.